In the last few decades, Earth has been heating up faster than ever before. Floods, wildfires, heat waves, these are no longer rare events. This is the climate crisis, and it is happening right now.
The climate crisis refers to long-term changes in Earth's climate caused mainly by human activities. Burning coal, oil and gas releases greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide. These gases trap heat, warming our planet. Deforestation and pollution make the problem even worse.
Global temperatures are rising, ice caps are melting, sea levels are increasing. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and more dangerous. Scientists warn that many of these changes are happening faster than expected.
The climate crisis affects our health, food, water, and homes. Crops fail due to droughts and floods. Water becomes scarce. Millions of people are forced to leave their homes. The poorest communities suffer the most, even though they contribute the least to the problem.
Scientists warn that we are approaching dangerous tipping points. If we do not act now, some damage may become irreversible. The choices we make today will decide the future of the next generations. We still have hope. By switching to renewable energy, reducing waste, saving water, and supporting climate-friendly policies, we can slow down climate change. Small actions, when taken together, create big change.
The climate crisis is the greatest challenge of our time, but also our greatest opportunity. If you care about our planet, share this message. Together, we can protect our only home.